Hey there! Have you ever felt the urge to leave everything behind and start fresh in a new country? Maybe you're tired of the same old routine, or perhaps you're seeking a more fulfilling life. Whatever the reason, starting over in a new country can be a thrilling adventure that leads to a more purposeful and meaningful existence. But before we dive into the top 10 countries that offer the best opportunities for a fresh start, let's talk about the challenges people often face when considering relocation. One of the biggest hurdles is cultural differences. Adapting to a new language, customs, and way of life can be overwhelming. Financial concerns are also a major obstacle. Will you be able to find a job, afford a place to live, and support yourself and your family? Another significant challenge is the fear of the unknown. Leaving behind everything familiar, including family and friends, can be a daunting prospect. And what about the logistics of moving? Finding a place to live, getting a visa, and navigating the complex process of relocation? Despite these challenges, many people are willing to take the leap and start anew. So, what makes a country ideal for starting over? Is it the warm climate, the cost of living, the language, or the expat community? In the following sections, we'll explore the top 10 countries that offer the best balance of these factors. Dreaming of a fresh start in a new country? Whether you're seeking better career opportunities, a lower cost of living, or a new adventure, relocating to a different country can offer an exciting change of pace and a chance to start anew. Here are 10 countries where you can easily begin a new life, complete with reasons why each might be the perfect fit for your fresh start. 1. Canada. Why choose Canada? Canada is often ranked as one of the best countries in the world for its quality of life, healthcare, and safety. It's a diverse, welcoming country with a rich multicultural fabric. Canada's economy is robust, and it offers numerous job opportunities, especially in fields like technology, healthcare, and engineering. Benefits of living in Canada. Healthcare. Canada offers free public healthcare to all of its residents. High quality of life. Known for its clean cities, beautiful natural landscapes, and a high standard of living. Work opportunities. The country's immigration policies favor skilled workers, making it relatively easy to obtain a work visa. Education. Canada has some of the best universities and schools in the world, which is great for families. Popular cities to consider. Toronto, a bustling, multicultural hub with a wide range of job opportunities. Vancouver, known for its stunning scenery, outdoor activities, and tech industry. Montreal, offers a European feel with a vibrant art scene and lower cost of living compared to other major cities. 2. New Zealand. Why choose New Zealand? New Zealand is known for its breathtaking landscapes, laid-back lifestyle, and friendly locals. It has a strong economy, particularly in agriculture, technology, and tourism. The country is also highly ranked for its safety and overall quality of life. Benefits of living in New Zealand. Work-life balance. New Zealanders value a healthy work-life balance, and there is a strong emphasis on enjoying life outside of work. Ease of immigration. The country offers several visa options, including a skilled migrant category visa for professionals. Natural beauty. Access to stunning landscapes, including beaches, mountains, and forests. Community and safety. Small, tight-knit communities and a low crime rate make it a safe and welcoming place to live. Popular cities to consider. Auckland, the largest city with a booming economy and diverse population. Wellington, known for its cultural scene and government and creative jobs. Christchurch, offers a relaxed lifestyle and is known as the gateway to the South Island's outdoor adventures. 3. Portugal. Why choose Portugal? Portugal is one of Europe's hidden gems, known for its warm climate, affordable cost of living, and rich cultural history. The country has become increasingly popular among expats due to its welcoming attitude, beautiful coastlines, and vibrant cities. Benefits of living in Portugal. Cost of living significantly lower than many other Western European countries, making it an attractive option for retirees and remote workers. Residency options. The Golden Visa program makes it relatively easy for non-EU citizens to gain residency. Climate. Mild winters and hot summers provide a comfortable climate year-round. Lifestyle. A laid-back culture with a strong emphasis on enjoying life, food, and community. Popular cities to consider. Lisbon, a bustling capital with a mix of old-world charm and modern amenities. Porto, known for its wine, culture, and historic architecture. Algarve, offers a relaxed beach lifestyle, popular with retirees and digital nomads. 4. Costa Rica. Why choose Costa Rica? Costa Rica is known for its stunning natural beauty, biodiversity, and a strong commitment to environmental conservation. It's a country where you can enjoy a high quality of life on a modest budget. The country is politically stable and offers excellent healthcare services. Benefits of living in Costa Rica. Affordable living. Costs are relatively low, especially for housing and food. Expat community. A large and supportive expat community. Nature and adventure. Endless opportunities for outdoor activities such as surfing, hiking, and wildlife watching. Healthcare. Costa Rica offers high-quality, affordable healthcare. Popular places to consider. San Jose, the capital and largest city with the most job opportunities. Tamarindo, a beach town popular with surfers and expats. Atenas, known for its excellent climate and large expat community. 5. Thailand. Why choose Thailand? Thailand is often referred to as the land of smiles because of its friendly locals and welcoming culture. It is an excellent destination for those looking for an affordable cost of living, beautiful scenery, and a vibrant cultural experience. Benefits of living in Thailand. Cost of living. Extremely affordable, especially in smaller cities or rural areas. Healthcare. High-quality healthcare at a fraction of the cost compared to Western countries. Lifestyle. A vibrant culture, delicious food, and plenty of recreational opportunities. Community. Large expat communities in cities like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket. Popular cities to consider. Bangkok, the capital city, known for its bustling street life, shopping, and food. Chiang Mai, a quieter city with a slower pace, great for digital nomads. Phuket, a tourist hotspot with beautiful beaches and a relaxed lifestyle. 6. Spain. Why choose Spain? Spain offers a mix of rich history, beautiful landscapes, and a relaxed lifestyle. It's a great option for those looking to enjoy a Mediterranean climate and a vibrant cultural scene. The country also has a relatively low cost of living compared to other Western European countries. Benefits of living in Spain. Cost of living. Affordable compared to other Western European nations. Healthcare. Access to excellent public and private healthcare. Climate. Mild winters and hot summers, especially in the south. Culture. Rich in history, art, and cuisine with diverse cultural experiences. Popular cities to consider. Madrid, the capital, offering numerous job opportunities and a cosmopolitan lifestyle. Barcelona, known for its arts, architecture, and beaches. Valencia, a coastal city known for its quality of life, affordable living, and less crowded than Madrid or Barcelona. 7. Mexico. Why choose Mexico? Mexico offers a warm climate, vibrant culture, and a lower cost of living. It has become a popular destination for retirees, remote workers, and those seeking adventure. The country offers a rich blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Benefits of living in Mexico. Cost of living. Very affordable, especially in smaller towns. Healthcare. Excellent private healthcare facilities at a fraction of the U.S. cost. Proximity to the U.S. Easy access for U.S. citizens looking to relocate without moving too far away. Diverse lifestyle options, from beach towns to mountainous regions and vibrant cities. Popular cities to consider. Mexico City, a vibrant metropolis with a rich cultural scene and plenty of job opportunities. Puerto Vallarta, a popular destination for expats and retirees, known for its beaches. San Miguel de Allende, a picturesque colonial town with a large expat community. 8. Australia. Why choose Australia? Australia offers a high quality of life, excellent healthcare, and a stable economy. Known for its beautiful landscapes and outdoor lifestyle, it's a great place for those who enjoy nature, adventure, and sunny weather. Benefits of living in Australia. Quality of life. Australia consistently ranks high for its standard of living. Job opportunities. Strong job market, especially in healthcare, IT, engineering, and trades. Healthcare. Access to a high-quality healthcare system, both public and private. Friendly immigration policies. Several visa options are available, including for skilled workers. Popular cities to consider. Sydney, a cosmopolitan city with beautiful beaches and a diverse job market. Melbourne, known for its arts, culture, and culinary scene. Brisbane, offers a warm climate and a slower pace of life. 9. Uruguay. Why choose Uruguay? Uruguay is often considered one of South America's hidden gems. Known for its high standard of living, stable political climate, and progressive social policies, it's a great place for those looking for a slower pace of life in a friendly and safe environment. Benefits of living in Uruguay. Stable economy. A strong and stable economy with a high level of social services. Healthcare. High-quality public and private healthcare. Lifestyle. A slower pace of life with a focus on family and community. Expat-friendly. A welcoming country with a small but growing expat community. Popular places to consider. Montevideo, the capital city with a mix of modern amenities and historic charm. Punta del Este, a luxurious beach town popular with expats and tourists. Colonia del Sacramento, a quaint colonial town with cobblestone streets and historic architecture. 10. Malaysia. Why choose Malaysia? Malaysia is an excellent choice for those seeking a low-cost lifestyle, modern amenities, and diverse cultural experiences. It's a melting pot of cultures, offering a unique blend of Asian, Indian, and Western influences. Benefits of living in Malaysia. Affordable living. One of the most affordable countries to live in, particularly in terms of housing and food. Healthcare. High quality and affordable healthcare services. Modern amenities. Access to modern infrastructure. Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover the top 10 countries where I can start over and live my best life. If you have any thoughts on these countries or have a favorite destination of your own, please share them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'd love to have you along for the ride.